Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see how to make a fridge magnet, and the materials which are needed are some acrylic paint, scissor, magnets and of course the molds. So we will give a shape for a fridge magnet. You can give of your choice. So here I will mark an oval shape with a pencil and will cut the extra part. So also I am giving a design for its frame here. Now we'll cut some shapes of flowers with the help of molds, and these molds are easily available in Amazon or Flipkart. Now we'll give a structure of face and half structured body. We'll try to give a realistic effect by adding hair. We'll add some attire of this girl. We'll make hands of this girl and we'll place some flowers as if she is holding some. And let's move to the next one. Now time to give some leaf effects in the second one. You can also try with some different ideas of flowers, leaves, etc. Now as you can see, the magnets are ready, but only you have to give colors. Let it get dry properly. Now you can paint it all with white primer or white paint. And now you can apply some desired colors to it, which will add a dramatic effect to it. You can add some magnet opposite to it. Just paste those magnets in the next side. And your fridge magnet is ready. So hope you like this video. We'll see you on my next video, but till then do comment how you like this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it.